What is up? So this is a video I've been wanting to make for a while. This is a how-to for Sun Salutations B. I'll be cueing in the non-traditional way, so we have a few adjustments on the breath cues. So if you're a beginner, this is great for you. So yeah, I'll go right ahead into the sequence. Place your feet together, give a slight bend to the knees, Tadasana, mountain pose. Inhale, bend the knees, sink the hips, reach the arms to the sky, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, straighten the legs, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift to Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, lower the hands to the floor, walk, step or float to the back of the mat. Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale to upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot to the front of the mat. Exhale, lower the back heel. Inhale, reach the arms to the sky, warrior one. Exhale, hands to the floor. Inhale, right foot to the back of the mat. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot to the front of the mat. Exhale, lower the back heel. Inhale, reach the arms to the sky, warrior one. Exhale, hands to the floor. Inhale, left foot to the back of the mat. Exhale to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale to upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the heels. Exhale, bend the knees. Walk, step or float to the front of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, bend the knees, sink the hips, arms to the sky, Utkatasana. Exhale to Samastiti. So that's pretty much it. Sun Salutations B for beginners. If you have any questions, comment, like, subscribe. I'll be posting more videos more often, and have an awesome day.